one thing, it's another, bro. My tire just popped somehow, bro. I don't even know how that's possible. These are brand new, literally. All right, I'm gonna call the tow truck, bro. A worker for the city pulled up behind me. He said that he was gonna move me to the other side of the road, but I told him that the tow truck was literally 10 minutes away, and it really actually is. It's supposed to get here at 11:30. It's 11:20. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. So he said he's gonna hold off the traffic so the tow truck can see me, and then yeah, bruh. So I'm probably gonna get it towed to the tire shop, bring the tire to it in the morning, go get my banner, and then probably won't drive it for a minute. So I hope y'all enjoyed this POV. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah. So the city guy, he left, and the officer's behind me now. So he's gonna hold the traffic still for me. Yeah, that's still what's going on. Still waiting. It's 11:42. Thing said ETA 11:48, so we'll see. It's here. Let me get out and see what's going on. Up right now. I don't know how he gonna do it, but he said he got it. You hear it? You talking about the Scat? Dang, look at my lights. Even my lights went out. How is that even possible? And then I got that big old scratch on the side of my door too. Like, come on, bro. If it ain't one. Oh my, it's been a long day today. This morning I had class. I dropped off my tire from my car, and then I went to work. I got the harness, so I'm finna go take the harness to the Chrysler so he could put it on, and then tomorrow we back at it. I need a dashboard, and then I'm gonna need a fuel pump as well, so I'm gonna get all of that tomorrow, hopefully. If not tomorrow, Friday for sure. But yeah, bro, I'll turn the camera back on whenever we can look at the car. And yeah. Alright. Yes, sir. So she's been moved. I dropped the harness off, so I'm finna go back. And yeah, tomorrow we gotta pull out the dash so I can get that. So I can get a dash for my car, and then after that, it should be started. He said, I lost the key. I know that video was deleted, but I got a new key program to it because whenever I originally got the car, they lost the key. So I lost the key this time. Blame on me. So I got to get another one programmed. Anyways, bro, that's probably going to be it for today. I was supposed to go get my banner, bro, but the guy with my tire, who was supposed to change my tire, he never texted me back about him having it. So I mean, about him just changing it and it being ready. So I never went over there to go pick up my car, but it is what it is, bro. I'm finna drive over there and see what it's doing. But yeah, thank y'all so much. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah. My tire's cooked, man. I need it fixed, man. Look at this shit. Alright, well.